Next time,
Do you know what this agency slang terms means? I work with Sana.
Who?
You know, Gen Z.
What's that?
It's a kind of the terms they're using these days,
What
like
is it?
the millennium, low carb, like
What is it?
the
I mean,
slang words, Gucci, Gen Z, and the hip hop terms.
where we go now?
What do you think about
I
that?
think Louis out of his damn mind.
Hmm.
I think that's a great test. I mean, great. You don't need to waste your time with it, honey. Move on.
Okay. I guess I also.
Move on. Yep, move on.
Where the heck we go now?
This slang word for hip hop. Man, what would you over that? And he don't even know what it means. And
I
his
know.
ass too old for it too. That's why I say move on. You know. Okay.
Yeah.
Where the heck we go now?
What's this?
Shit, I'm lost.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a photo.
Yeah, you're a funny guy.
Poet.
Yeah. All rappers are poets, though. You
Oh,
know.
really?
Yeah. So you gotta be a poet to
Oh,
be
I
a
gotta
rapper.
find that wall.
And she found
I
out.
see.
It's all poets.
What have you got me in? Oh, man, I'm
Yeah,
trying to think.
fucking
I
old
gotta
nigga
go
right
soon.
there.
Put that away.
Shoot that bitch. Don't go in there with that kitchen, boy. Alright, Lord.
Forbidden government official.
Leave it all
Most
alone.
dangerous type in the whole of fucking China. Shit,
I'm black.
this
That's
state
it.
here is a mess.
Yeah, they got him on
This
drugs.
affect the deal? No, not if we keep low. Damn. Can't stand it. Can't find us.
We're back in.
Can't find us.
Which is a book.
Alright, man.